Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain about how to create like this type of QR codes for your files in an easy way. So after watching this video, you can start creating, and whenever or whoever scans the QR, directly file displayed on your mobile screen without any application. So in these days, everywhere we are using QR codes for cardless and cashless payments. And not only for that, we can also use these QR codes for reports, documents, articles, and even in presentations. We are using these QR codes in wedding invitations also. And also, we can use these QR codes for social media, for marketing purposes and advertisements in various fields like Meta, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So without doing any late, let's get started. Before that, it is completely free to create these QR codes. So let's get into it. So to implement how to create QR codes, we have some steps. The first one, we have to select website. There are various type of website to create QR codes. For me, it has something. And the second one, select the file tab. See, there are lots of file tabs like audio, video, PDF file presentations and more. We have to link these files to a QR code to access. And the third step, we have to upload our file. And the fourth one, and the best part in the video is you can customize the QR code as you want. So let's into it. So to access the website, click the link in the description. It looks like this. So to create QR code, first we have to select the file type. Scroll down and select specified file type. So I want to create a QR code for a personal file. Select PDF file and upload the PDF file. And you may also name your QR code like this. And after completion this, click on customize and download QR. So as I tell before, the best part in the video is we can customize the QR code with lots of preferences like frames, shapes and colors, cinematic templates and more. For example, I want to give a comment like this for my QR code. So select. You may also select body patterns for your QR code. To identify the QR code in an easy way, we can also upload the logo into a QR code like this. After completion of customizing, click on download. So we have created the QR code. It's time to check that how this QR code will work. To check this QR code on your mobile, open Google Lens, or else we can directly scan this QR code from our laptop. To scan the QR code from your PC, do as follow. On your PC, open any browser and search for online QR scanner and click on this. And upload the QR file to website. Click on open. See, the QR successfully scanned and the output were there. We have learned that how these QR codes were created. Now see this. Interesting, right? If you want to know like how these art QR codes were designed, comment in the comment section. I will make this video on it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more technical content. Bye bye, take care.